Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this five-sided polygon A, B, C, D, E that consists of three triangles. This triangle A, B, E. This right triangle B, C, D. And this green shaded tiny triangle B, D, E. As you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this triangle ABE has been given to us as 66 centimeter square. The area of this right triangle BCD has been given to us as 112 centimeter square as well. And moreover, this side AB is 11 centimeter, whereas this side AE is 13 centimeter. And furthermore, these angles, this angle, and this angle are our 90 degrees angles. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle BDE. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. We know that we have been given the area of this triangle as 66 centimeters square, and the area of this right triangle is 112 centimeters square as well. And we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded triangle BDE. So therefore, our task is going to be calculate this side DE, this side CD, and likewise we are going to calculate this side BC as well. And now we are going to think outside the box to make our job simple. So therefore we are going to draw some auxiliary lines. As you can see in this next step, I have created this right triangle AEF by extended these sides AB and this side DE, and this is our 90 degrees angle. And as a result, we are ended up with this rectangle FBCD. And now we are going to focus on this triangle ABE, whose area has been given to us as 66 centimeter square. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And we can see the base of this triangle ABE is this side AB, which is 11 centimeter, whereas the height of this triangle is EF, and this side is unknown. And the area has been given to us as 66. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So our area of the triangle is 66 is going to be equal to a half times our base is 11 times our height is this side EF. Now I can write this one as 11 divided by 2 times EF is going to be equal to 66. And now I'm going to multiply both sides, the reciprocal of 11 divided by 2, which is going to be 2 divided by 11, and I'm going to multiply on the right hand side with the 2 divided by 11 as well. And here we can see 2 divided by 11 and 11 divided by 2, they are gone. So therefore our EF segment length is going to be equal to 12 centimeter. So therefore we could see that this EF length turns out to be 12 centimeter. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle EFA. We know its side lengths are 12 and 13, and this side AF is unknown. So therefore we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 13, wherever the two other legs are 12 and this side AF. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got AF square plus 12 square is going to be equal to 13 square. Let's simplify furthermore. AF square plus 144 equals to 169. And now we are going to subtract 144 from both sides. This is gone. So therefore AF square value turns out to be 25. Let me undo this square by taking square root on both sides. So therefore our side AF length is going to be equal to positive 5 centimeter. So therefore our this side AF length has got to be 5 centimeter. And also let's make an observation. We could see that this 5, 12 and 13 are Pythagorean triplets as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole side of this rectangle BF is going to be 11 plus 5 is going to give us 16 centimeter. So therefore we conclude that this other side CD has got to be 16 centimeter as well. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle BCD, whose area has been given to us as 112 centimeter square, and its one of the side lengths is 16, and this side BC is unknown. Let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area of the triangle is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle, and in our case the base of this right triangle BCD is this side, whereas the height is this side BC, and the area has been given to us as 112. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So the area of this triangle has been given to us as 112 equals to a half times our base is 16 and our height is BC length. And now we can see this 1 divided by 2 times 16 is going to give us 8. Let's divide both sides by 8, and we can see this 8 and 8 is gone. So therefore our BC side length turns out to be equal to 14 centimeter. So therefore our this BC side length turns out to be 14 centimeter. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this BC length is 14. So therefore this whole side DF is going to be 14 centimeter as well. And we know that this segment EF length is 12. So therefore this tiny segment length has got to be 14 minus 12 is going to give us 2 centimeter. So thus this segment DE length turns out to be 2. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle BDE. And now let's recall the area of triangle formula once again. Area is equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And now we can see that the base of this green shaded triangle is this tiny base ED, which is 2 units. Whereas the height of this green shaded triangle is this length, which is 16 centimeter. So therefore this green shaded triangle area is going to be a half times our base is 2 times the height is 16. And here we can see 2 and 1 divided by 2, they are gone. So this is going to be equal to 16 centimeter square, the area of this green shaded triangle. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded triangle turns out to be 16 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.